Hey everyone! In order to really immerse themselves in their favorite games, gamers frequently look for displays that provide an expansive viewing experience. ASUS has released the ROG Strix XG32WCMS for these fans. With its big 31.5-inch screen, this gaming monitor promises to provide a vibrant and captivating gaming experience. What else does it have to offer, though, other than its remarkable size? The sleek and contemporary design of the ROG gaming range is embodied by the ASUS ROG Strix XG32WCMS. The matte black plastic used to make the monitor's housing is accentuated with striking elements like the ROG logo, a red line around the stand, and futuristic geometric designs on the rear. In order to appeal to minimalists, the monitor does not have RGB backlighting. RGB lighting frequently improves the atmosphere, but in this case, its lack highlights the monitor's simple and elegant design. To keep everything organized, it has a strong stand with a cable management system. Interestingly, the stand also has a tripod socket at the top and a smartphone holder in landscape mode, which can be very helpful for streamers. The curved 1500R screen on the ROG Strix XG32WCMS is intended to increase immersion by encircling the viewer's field of vision with the images. For convenient wall placement, its connectivity ports, which include USB Type-C, DisplayPort, HDMI, and a 3.5mm headphone jack, are positioned thoughtfully at the rear and angled downward. The monitor is compatible with VESA for individuals who would rather mount it on the wall or use another type of stand. The frameless shape of the screen adds to its contemporary appeal and produces a smooth, immersive experience. The VA screen outperforms conventional IPS displays with its brilliant colors and impressive 4,000:1 contrast ratio. With its 16.7 million color display and 10-bit color depth capability, it ensures realistic image reproduction. The monitor's sharp, detailed images are produced by the monitor's 16:9 aspect ratio and WQHD resolution. With its 280 Hz refresh rate, it's perfect for high-paced games that demand fluid gameplay and fast reactions. While a brightness level of 400 nits guarantees visibility in well-lit spaces, the 1000R curvature improves immersion. Long-term eye strain is lessened by the matte screen covering and flicker-free backlight. Through the Display Widget Center tool or the on-screen menu, users can alter display settings. For competitive gamers, the Display Widget Center also makes it easier to activate advanced gaming tools like timers and crosshairs. While a brightness level of 400 nits guarantees visibility in well-lit spaces, the 1000R curvature improves immersion. Long-term eye strain is lessened by the matte screen covering and flicker-free backlight. This makes it possible to change the brightness, contrast, color temperature, and preset display settings for different kinds of content, such as text, games, and movies. For competitive gamers, the Display Widget Center also makes it easier to activate advanced gaming tools like timers and crosshairs. All things considered, the ASUS ROG Strix XG32WCMS combines performance, style, and utility to provide a remarkable gaming experience. This display promises to take your gameplay to the next level, whether you're racing against the clock, playing furious shooters, or exploring colorful open landscapes. Thanks for watching. I hope this video can help you in choosing a monitor. Have a nice day and God bless you.